Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another video, another bomb video, might I add. But you know, ooh, come on out. I got a little Cleveland meat. I'm sorry for the children viewers, girl. Come on out. Excuse me, honey. Anyway, y'all, this video is sponsored by Roadside Hawks. That is a roadside tire company. If you get a flat, baby, Roadside Hawks got your back. And they do financing if you are in the Atlanta or Texas area. They are the only tire company I use because I got a flat a while back and baby, they pulled up on me and changed my tire, and they will finance for you. So if you do use their company, tell them Chrissy sent you. Peace. Anyway, let's get into the video. All their information will be down below as well. Ooh, I'm under the weather. But anyway, y'all, Chic.com sent me some things, and honey, when I tell you I went a little crazy on there, y'all know I love cute Asian things. So the first item I got, I'm gonna be using right now, is this cute cup, and it has a cat at the top, and it says good time, and it has a cat right here with some yarn, and right here is a little fish. It is so cute, y'all, and this comes off, and it's a little spoon in here. I got a little cum laude in there, a little Kool-Aid, and I'm about to put some wine in there because y'all know how I get down, baby. You already know. Got to get the yak to make them come back. Ooh, let's just top it off, honey. Ooh, y'all know I still got this musty, stinking muscadine wine, but baby, I'm gonna drink up. And since it got a spoon on the side, y'all, this probably for tea, but baby, you know me. Got to put some hen dog in here. That's the only thing I'm gonna be stirring up in here. I don't drink no hot tea. I leave that to y'all Asians. It did what it did. Y'all know if it don't cut the back, it ain't that yak. Mixed with that cum laude. I don't know what it is about that red Kool-Aid that do what it need to do. Woo! Anyway, let's get it started. We got one item down, and all the links will be in the description box. Come on out. Y'all, the second item I got was this cute milk purse. It says pure milk, and you open it like this. Y'all, I thought this was so cute. I don't know what it is about the Asians, but baby, they ain't got what us Americans got, baby. They got the cutest stuff. Like, I mean, whoa, that's so cute. And on the side, I'm show you what it says. It says pure milk, and then it has like the ingredients or additives on the side. I thought it was so cute, y'all. But y'all, this bag is so freaking adorable. Look at, girl, look at that. Oh my God, it comes with the straps, and you can make it long or short. But y'all, I thought this was so freaking adorable. Oh my gosh. So y'all already know what the next item is. I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I know I'm long-winded, as y'all say, that I talk a lot. I don't know if my camera. Okay. The next item I got, I don't know what was up with me in this milk, honey, but since I had regular milk, y'all know I had to get the strawberry milk bag, and it has a little straw up here, y'all, and this stuff is like holographic, like colors around here, and it's strawberry milk. I thought this was so freaking cute, and this is what the back looks like, y'all. Oh my God, and this is the sides. Oh my God, oh my God. This is the bottom, it's just white. And this is the top, holographic at the top too, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that. I got so many lights on in here today because the lighting was all over the place. This is what the inside looks like, and this is how it opens. And, oh, I'm about to tear the damn bag up already, dang. Close it back down. This is the strap that it has, and you can make it shorter or longer. But y'all, I thought this was so freaking cute. How cute is the strawberry milk, honey? And they are, y'all, these prices are so reasonable on their site, y'all. So I wanted to get all purses, but I did end up getting like some little electronics and stuff too. So let's get on to the second item. The second item is another, the third item. Damn, this is the fourth item, baby. I can't count, huh? Come on out. Anyway, the fourth item I got, because I think I ended up getting like 15 things because they are so affordable, y'all. But this is the fourth purse that I got. It's like a pink. And this is what made me, I actually thought this purse was way smaller than this. Like on the site, it looked like a little baby purse. But this is what made me want this purse because this is so cute. The little bear. Oh my God, y'all. This is so freaking stinking cute to me. Like, oh my God. And this little, like a mauve pink color. So cute. And you can unzip these and give you more space in there on both sides, y'all. So cute. This is how the back looks, and it's like a plaid little color right here. It has gold details, as you can see, and all you do is turn this and it opens right up, and it has two compartments, a zipper little compartment to put your stuff in right here and in the middle. And they even have one here in the front too. So I thought that was very neat and it's very spacious. I thought this was a little bag, but now that I have it, it's still so cute to me. And they have, you know, a spot for the back as well. But y'all, this stuff is so freaking cute. Like, honey, I don't know. I just went crazy on the site because, baby, you know I don't like to spend no shmoneys. But, baby, this stuff was cute. I even added some stuff in, honey. I had to do what I had to do. But let's get on to the fifth item because I can count now. This bag I thought was smaller too, but it ended up being a full size like snake skin bag. Let me put it up. Oh my God, do y'all see that detail? It is so freaking pretty. Y'all, this is the back. It is so big and spacious. And it has this, you can either carry it like this, and this part is detachable, y'all. So if you would like to take this gold details on this bag, if you want to unhook these, this comes off and you can just wear it as a handbag, or you can have it as a shoulder bag, and it does get longer or shorter. I just have it on the like real short. But y'all, this was so freaking pretty. Let me open it. And honey, if somebody try to snatch this bag, the way you got to do a lot to open this, guys. So let me get it open for you guys so y'all can see, because I was confused at first. But oh my God, look at all this space in this bag. This is a full size bag, honey. You can put a lot of stuff up in here, and it even has a little slot over here too. But y'all, I love the gold detail of this bag and like the little snake skin. I've been wanting one of these bags. I really thought this was gonna be a small bag, and I'm not disappointed that it's not. So that is the fifth item that I got off of this site, y'all. And let me think about how long it took. It did take like a week and a half, or did it take 2 weeks? Because I was waiting on the cat toy, and I will show you the cat toy. The cat toy was real durable, but I got a wild cat, so she was trying to attack the damn toy. But anyway, as I told you before, you got to do a lot to close this guy up. Like, all right, there we go. Show you this one more time, and that is the fifth bag. Okay, is that the last bag I got? Yes, that's the last bag I got. So I'm gonna move on to shapewear, y'all. I saw they had shapewear on this site, and baby, you know I had to get it. I mean, come on. Anyway, but this is the only thing I could not fit, even though it was so cute and it would have did me justice. But baby, I could not fit this. This is a little toddler size. This was supposed to be their medium, so please be aware of the sizes. I should have got this in a large, because baby, this, I could never get this wide heavy back in this. But anyway, it is some little shapewear panties. This is the back, and This is the front, and then you were supposed to hook this and it'll cinch in the waist. But baby, that's not the case, because your girl can't get in this at all. Come on out. Anyway, the next thing I got, I could actually fit, and I took the straps off, but I don't know if you can see this that well, but it is a beige shape where it looks big, but baby, once I get my big back in it, it fits and it sucks you in. All this lighting, it is white, so you might not be able to see it, but it is shapewear. And that one actually works. It goes, I can't show it on because YouTube don't be having that, so toodles. All right, the second thing I got was this shapewear, and it is shorts, and this is the back, and these are the straps, and it works, honey. You zip it up, girl, it sucked me in, honey, and it works. And you zip it up here. I'm gonna unzip it, honey. It has hooks in here, so you hook this up and then you zip it, and baby, it holds you in, baby. I support this shapewear right here, girl. I had it up on a dress, and baby, I was styling and profiling, and my gut was sucked in. So shout out to New Chic, because baby, you did what you did. You did what you did, period. Anyway, the next items I got was like electronic, well, not electronics, but I want to start doing live and doing my makeup up in here, or my nail videos, because y'all know I took a nail class. So the next item I got was this. You put this on your windshield and it holds your phone. You put your phone right here, then once you press it in, it closes your phone in, and you can turn it whatever way you want your phone to go. So I thought that was pretty neat. I don't know if you could see that, but this is how it works, and I'll show you the back, and it'll show you how you set it up. Oop. As you can see, you put it on your dashboard. A lot of people use it for GPS, but I'm gonna use it to go live in my car so I can talk to you guys, because honey, I be on social network, but nobody ever like sees me live. I don't think I ever been live, y'all. So maybe once in my whole life. I'm very shy. I don't know if y'all know that or not, but I'm very shy, and I could do stuff in this room by myself or in my car, but I'm very shy. Come on out. But if you meet me, you would think I was lying, because I'm not shy in person. I'm very sociable with people, but deep down, yeah, I'm shy, period. All right, the next item I got was this. Like I said, I wanted to go live, and you can move this. You put your phone right here, and then you put this part on your desk or table, and just screw it on, and it'll tighten, and it'll just sit there, and you can bend this any type of way you want. And it opens wider or longer, so you could put your tablet or phone up there, whatever you want to put. So I thought this was pretty neat, and another way I could go live at my house. So this was the other item I got. The last item I got, well, not the last item, the second to last item I got, because I did get a cat toy, even though it came late because it was out of stock, but I ended up being able to get it and make this video for you guys. So I did the video over, but this is one of those things where you stick it on your phone or whatever, and then you can stick the other piece to your mirror or to the wall, whatever you want to stick it to, and it just lets your phone stay up there and you be hands-free. So you stick one side to your phone. If I can get it off. Oh, this is a strong magnet. You stick this part to your phone, and then you stick this part to the wall or to the mirror or whatever you want. And if your phone, oh, wrong side, okay. You see how it snapped on there, honey? It's gonna grab your phone and you could be hands-free, honey. So that's another way if I wanna do a video in my bathroom, doing my hair, and I wanna be in the mirror, I could do that, or stick it to anywhere. Hell, on here they got it on their driver's steering wheel, whatever. So I thought it was pretty neat, so I got one of these. I should have got two, And y'all, that's it for the video. I'm gonna insert the cat toy and my cat playing with the cat toy because it was a cute little cat toy. It's a flower base, and then it has a butterfly coming off of it, and you put batteries in there and it just spins around. Your cat just, you know, my cat got them hands like her mama, girl. Come on out. So she was swatting at that butterfly, girl. She damn near tore the butterfly off of there, the girl. That's why I can't even, you go in there and get the damn toy now, because baby, she try to fight you. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna insert that video. Get it, Kitty Pop. Don't you let that butterfly beat you like this. Get his ass. Get it, Kitty Pop. Get him. Get him. You better get him. Yeah. Yeah, mama taught you, girl. You got them hands. Get it, Kitty Pop. You got them hands. Don't let her know. Let her know. You better get her, Kitty Pop. Let her know. Look at my baby. Got hands like a mama. Come on out. This is the end of the video. I love you guys and thank you guys for supporting me. Peace, comment, like, subscribe. Love you guys.